Hello everyone, welcome to this session. Let's discuss about the formula bonding. So far in our previous video, we are discussing this part of the topic, the nomenclature. We're talking about the radical, the oxidation state, etc., etc. So today let's move on to the first part, that is formula bonding. So here we'll be talking about the various kinds of bonding, and from there let's see that there are mainly uh, two types of bonding, which are covalent bonding and the ionic bonding. So we'll be discussing these two. So in this video, we'll be talking about the covalent bonding. Uh, let's start with the concept of the covalent bonding. The covalent bonding, this is the type of bonding which it involves equal sharing of the electrons between two or more atoms that participate in the bond formation. So this is the first type of bonding, whereby it's kind of a bonding which simply it involves equal sharing of the electrons between two or more atoms that are there in the bond formation. It is generally the property of nonmetals to form the covalent bonding. So covalent bonding is most likely just the main for the nonmetals. Now, in a normal covalent bond, only electrons in the outermost shell of an atom are available for the bond formation. So the bond formation are talking about the covalent bond, only the electrons that are found in the outermost shell of an atom are the ones that are available or suitable for the bond formation. Atoms share electrons so as to just form a stable electron structure of the nearby noble gas atom. So this is the reason of the bonding, whereby the atoms they share these electrons simply just so as to form a stable electron structure of the nearby noble gas atom. Now consider the bonding in the following atoms. So we'll be talking about the various bonding of the given various atoms, starting with the first one, that is hydrogen. So in this video, we'll be discussing about the hydrogen. So the hydrogen atom simply possesses only one electron. Now its shell holds a maximum of two electrons, so it is not four. Now, when two hydrogen atoms they make a bond, now each one simply donates say, one electron to the shared pair just to form a stable helium structure. So this is how it looks like. Two hydrogen atoms, as you can see, when they bond, a hydrogen molecule is formed. That is whereby a shared pair of electrons is observed. As you can see here, these electrons are shared together to form this kind of a bond. That is the covalent bond. Now, because atoms they share electrons, there's a strong force of the attraction between them, holding them together. Now, this force is what we call the covalent bond. Now, the bonded atoms they form a molecule. So, a molecule is the one that is formed after the bond formation has happened. Now, the hydrogen gas is made up of the hydrogen molecules, and for this reason, is what is called a molecular substance molecular substance. Now, its formula is like this, H2. Now, several other nonmetals are also molecular. For example, the choline, nitrogen, iodine, oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus, etc., etc. So, all these are just the examples of several other nonmetals from the hydrogen that are also molecular. So I hope that's all clear. Thank you for listening. We've started discussing the formula bonding. We've seen that there are two main kinds of bonding, the covalent bonding and the ionic bonding. We've discussed the covalent bonding, its concept, and we've started discussing various atoms, how they can form this covalent bonding. In our next video, we'll move on to the other atoms that can form this covalent bonding. Thank you.